Okay, welcome to our demo for using RMM as a remote management console. Okay, in this demo we're going to show you how to manage SoundMill, and for the demo here it's on the same machine, but in real life it'll be on a different, it'll be on the network, probably in another room or another building. And managing VideoMill is virtually the same thing. We're going to start SoundMill here, so it's already doing some work when we start RMM. So I'll go ahead and start that, and then the console just comes up empty right now. We're going to show you some of these remote tools. Okay, we've already configured it with IPC so it can find SoundMill and VideoMill. So you just select the client that you want to monitor. In this case we're going to use SoundMill. And first thing you want to do is just ping the other client, in this case SoundMill, and it should come back with this message: two-way connection is working. And if you don't get that message, you probably got an IPC configuration error. So right now we don't see anything being monitored, so we can scan the remote client with this button here and see if anything's currently running. And you can see it discovered that Hard Day's Night is running, and it's tracking at the same timeline as what's going on in SoundMill. Now you can also click this button here to see exactly what's going on. It's going to show you what's playing, if any scripts are running, and if the scheduler is running, and if anything's on the scheduler, what is running on the scheduler. The other thing you can do is you can retrieve a queue list from the remote client, and to do that you select whether you want the media items, the scripts, or both the items and scripts. So we'll just click on that, and you can see it's queried SoundMill and discovered that these items are in the list, and it's got a set of scripts at the bottom. And once you've retrieved those items, you can save this as a queue list. So we'll just do a save as, and now that queue list has been saved. So in the future, if you want to load that into SoundMill, and let me just blank out SoundMill by creating a new sound list so that it's basically empty right now, and we can clear this list here, and I go back and open that queue list that we just saved, and that fills in the queue list here, and we can sync the remote client with the sync remote list, and you can see that loaded that associated sound list into SoundMill. So now we can just click on any of these items, start the playback, and you can see over in SoundMill playback is started. You can pause it, resume, or stop it. And you've also got this stop all button, so if normally you have to select the queue name to stop, pause, or resume, but you can stop everything with the stop all button, the cancel button. Now let's show you how to run a script. Over here in SoundMill, I'll open the automator. So that's here, and I've got this play 5 script that just plays a playlist of 5 items. So over here, I just find that play 5 cue to start that script. click the play button, and you can see over here in the automator that script is starting to run now, and the progress bar here in RMM is keeping track of what's playing over there, so you can monitor that. And just like a sound item, you can also pause a script, resume the script, or stop it. Okay, another thing you can do is start and stop the scheduler on the remote system. So over here on SoundMill, I've got this Play 5 is a scheduled item, so all we have to do is here in RMM, start the scheduler, and you can see the first item on that in that script is starting to play, and it's monitoring that. And you can pause it, or I'm sorry, you can pause the scheduler. You can see over here in SoundMill it's been paused. You can resume the scheduler, and it's back to playing, and then you can stop the scheduler on the remote system. Okay, and then finally, one thing you can do is you can view what's in your RMM queue list. So that shows you the media list on the remote machine, and lists every queue and shows you which media item, or either audio or video, that plays with the queue. Okay, and the final thing I'll show you is how to open a list on the remote system. So I'll just empty this out again with creating a new list. And here in RMM, you can either sync to this list, or go to Tools, Remote Tools, Open Source List, and we're going to enter a file name. So I have the file name in the clipboard, so just paste that in. It's going to open up this Beatles 1 sound list, and you can see it's been opened up in SoundMill. So that's most of the remote management features available in SoundMill, so that you can manage your systems from a remote office. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.